You're running a startup. You're expanding globally. Your business is booming. But here's the catch. International payments are a nightmare. High fees, slow transfers, and a maze of regulations. Sound familiar? Well, if you've been looking for a financial superhero to swoop in and save the day, you might have heard of Airwallex. But who exactly is using this fintech wizard? That's what we're diving into today. Airwallex, for those who are new to the game, is essentially a financial platform designed for businesses that operate across borders. They promise faster, cheaper, and more convenient international transactions. But talk is cheap, right? So, let's cut to the chase and see who's actually putting their money where their mouth is. The Airwallex clientele. Now, you might be thinking, Airwallex is great, but who's actually using it? Well, the good news is, it's not just a bunch of startups and small businesses. We're talking about some serious players here. Let's start with the obvious, fintech companies. These guys are at the forefront of financial innovation, and they need tools that can keep up. Airwallex, with its API-first approach and focus on speed and efficiency, is a natural fit. So, if you're looking for fintech companies using Airwallex, you won't be disappointed. But it doesn't stop there. E-commerce is another big sector that's embracing Airwallex. With cross-border sales becoming the norm, these businesses need a reliable way to manage their finances. Airwallex's multi-currency accounts and payment solutions are making life easier for online retailers of all sizes. Then we have the world of travel and hospitality. From booking flights to managing hotel payments, this industry deals with a ton of international transactions. Airwallex is helping these businesses streamline their operations and improve their bottom line. But let's not forget about the traditional businesses. Manufacturing, trade, and even professional services are starting to see the benefits of using Airwallex. By simplifying cross-border payments, they can focus on what they do best, growing their business. Case studies, optional. To give you a better idea of how Airwallex is being used in the real world, let's take a look at a few case studies. Company A, a fast-growing e-commerce platform, was struggling with high transaction fees and slow payment processing times. By switching to Airwallex, they were able to reduce costs by 30% and improve customer satisfaction. Company B, a global travel agency, was facing challenges managing multiple currencies and reconciling payments. Airwallex's multi-currency wallets and automated reconciliation tools helped them save time and money. The future of Airwallex. So, there you have it. Airwallex is clearly making waves in the financial world. But what does the future hold? As the company continues to expand its product offerings and enter new markets, we can expect to see even more businesses adopting its platform. Airwallex is more than just a payment solution. It's a financial platform that's helping businesses of all sizes thrive in a global economy. Whether you're a small startup or a multinational corporation, there's a good chance Airwallex can help you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.